Hello children, welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. Today I am going to explain about tables. Actually, children will feel little bit difficult in by hearting tables. So I am giving the trick for ninth table. By using this trick, everyone can learn easily. So now I am telling the ninth table trick. Here 9 ones are 9 up to 9 15s are like that I have written. Okay, first we need to write the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means everyone knows from 0 to up to 15. Descending order means 15 to like 0. Okay, first we need to start from 0 onwards. Okay, here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, after that we need to write 9 two times, then 10 11 12 and then 13. Okay, now we need to write the numbers in descending order. We need to start from 9 onwards. 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. So we have completed up to 0. Again we need to start from 9 onwards. 9 8 7 6 5. You can write more than this also, but I have written up to 15 only. If you want to write more than that, you can try. Logic is same. Okay, so here 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90, 9 elevens are 99, 9 12s are 108, 9 13s are 117, 9 14s are 126, 9 15s are 135. Like this you can write up to 9 into 20 also you can write. Basing on this formula, basing on this trick only, we can write up to 9 to 20 also. So hope it's clear to everyone. 9 table. Now I will explain about one more table, 11th table. For 11th table we need to write, everyone knows about up to 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55. Like that 11 nines are 91, everyone know. 11 tens are, from 11 tens are we can start by using this formula we can write. Suppose I have taken here 11 12s. 11 12s means here 11 into 12. Okay, here in ones place you need to write the 2 here. In hundreds place you need to write the 1 here. After that add these two numbers, 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So write 3 in between. Okay, so 11 into 12 is equal to 132. I will repeat again. 11 into 12, write 2 in ones place and 1 in hundreds place. After that add 1 plus 2 and write in between in tens place. So 11 into 12 is 132. I will tell you one more example. 11 into 16. 6 in ones place, write 6 in ones place and 1 in hundred place. After that add 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. So write 7 in between 1 and 6 in 10th place. Okay. Now we will start write the 11th table by using this formula. Okay. So 11 into 10. Write 0 in ones place and 1 in hundreds place. 1 plus 0, 1. So 11 tens are 110. After that 11 into 11. 1 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place. After that 1 plus 1 is 121. Okay. This one 11 into 12. 2 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place. 1 plus 2 is 132. Like that. 1 in hundreds place, 3 in tens place, and 1 plus 3 is 143. Like that we need to write. 1 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place, 4 in tens place, 1 plus 5, 1 plus 4, 5. 5, 1, 1 plus 5, 6. 1, 6, 1 plus 6, 7. 1, 7, 1 plus 7, 8. 1, 8, 1 plus 8, 9. 9. 1 plus 9 will be 10. So write 10 here and 1 here. Here 1 plus 1 is there. So we need to write 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. After that 0 in hundreds place 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. Like that we need to write the 11th table. We can write up to how many numbers you want, you can write up to there, but in practical we will learn up to 11 into 20 only. So I have written up to that. Hope it's clear to everyone. These tricks will help you. So I have explained about 11th table and then 10th table. Okay. In the coming classes I will explain about some other tables also. Hope it's clear to everyone. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. Thank you everyone. Thank you all. Bye children.